Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE PAN VEG part #WR32X21098. GE PAN VEG part #WR32X21098 is a replacement vegetable pan for GE refrigerators. It is made of durable plastic and is designed to fit in the bottom of the refrigerator. The pan measures approximately 16 inches by 8 inches and has a depth of 2.5 inches. It is designed to hold vegetables, fruits, and other food items in the refrigerator. The pan also features a raised lip on one side to help keep food items from spilling out when the door is opened or closed. This part number is compatible with several GE refrigerator models, including GSS25 GMA, GSS25. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement crisper drawer pan for a refrigerator. It can be used to fix symptoms such as a cracked or broken crisper drawer pan, or one that is not sealing properly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the existing vegetable pan by pulling it straight out of the refrigerator. 3. Place the new vegetable pan in its place and make sure it is properly seated in the refrigerator. 4. Plug the refrigerator back into the wall outlet and test to make sure it is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.